So here's the thing, right? I watched this fight last night, and I was going to make a video directly after I watched the fight. But I was like, you know what? Maybe I'm too harsh on Khalil Cole. Let me sleep over it. Let me sleep on it. And you know what? Maybe my thoughts would change, and maybe I was too harsh on him, you know? I woke up, and I felt the complete opposite. I felt that Khalil Cole went in there and was on sleep mode the whole night. Jesse Hart looked like the younger fighter. I know he got tired at the end of the fight. I know. But he was tired at the end of the fight for actually boxing. Khalil Cole was just walking in the ring. I don't even know what he was doing. Then he spine busted him WWE style. You can't do that. And you're going to miss weight on top of that by 8 pounds? And then we got people talking crazy in the comments. Like he did actually something. Like, bro, get out of here, bro. Like, I used to like Khalil Cole, but just like, you can't do that.